happy rhyme, kids.
Construction crane stood tall and bright, searching high with all its might. A tiny teddy lost below, stuck beneath the winter snow. Crane reached down with gentle care, lifting Teddy through the air. Workers clapped and cheered aloud. Crane stood tall and very proud. Teddy smiled with stitched up face, back into his owner's embrace. Rescued doll and heaven grace. Construction crane stood tall and bright, searching high with all its might. A tiny teddy lost below, stuck beneath the winter snow. Crane reached down with gentle care, lifting Teddy through the air. Workers clapped and cheered aloud. Crane stood tall and very proud. Teddy smiled with stitched up face, back into his owner's embrace. Rescued doll and heaven grace. Little bear ran through sparkling snow. Lights around began to glow. Fireworks popped in colored streams, shining bright like racing dreams. Bear dashed fast with joyful cheer. Happy heart for brand new
Look at the
year.
fireworks!
Snowflakes
They're so
twirled
beautiful.
like silver light, guiding Bear through frosty night. Clock struck 12, stars shine high. Bear roared softly to the sky. New Year sparkle racing by. Little bear ran through sparkling snow. Lights around began to glow. Fireworks popped in colored streams, shining bright like racing dreams. Bear dashed fast with joyful cheer. Happy heart for brand new year. Snowflakes twirled like silver light, guiding Bear through frosty night. Clock struck 12, stars shine high. Bear roared softly to the sky. New Year sparkle racing by. Jingle bells rang bright and clear, filling hearts with Christmas cheer. Snowflakes fell in sparkling white, dancing softly through the night. Children sang with voices sweet, marching down the snowy street. Lights shone bright on every tree, gifts wrapped up for all to see. Laughter spread from near to far, guided by a shining star. Christmas joy is who we are. Jingle bells rang bright and clear, filling hearts with Christmas cheer. Snowflakes fell in sparkling white, dancing softly through the night. Children sang with voices sweet, marching down the snowy street. Lights shone bright on every tree, gifts wrapped up for all to see. Laughter spread from near to far, guided by a shining star. Christmas joy is who we are.
Let it snow, let it snow.
Baby panda kicks the ball so round, rolling gently on grassy ground. It tumbles softly with each try, laughing under the open sky. The ball goes left, the ball goes right. Panda chases with pure delight. Friends cheer loudly from the side, watching Panda take each stride. A final kick goes far and true. Panda Baby panda kicks the ball so round, rolling gently on grassy ground. It tumbles softly with each try, laughing under the open sky. The ball goes left, the ball goes right. Panda chases with pure delight. Friends cheer loudly from the side, watching Panda take each stride. A final kick goes far and true. Panda claps with happy woo. Football fun the whole day through. Coconut baby rolls on sand, crack a whack across the land. It bumps on shells and tiny stones, laughing in its coconut tone. Waves splash softly at its feet, guiding it down the sandy street. It spins around and jumps so high, almost touching the bright blue sky. Its cock-a-wack makes seagulls cheer, echoing far and crystal clear. But Finch's fun is always near. Coconut baby rolls on sand, crackle-whack across the land. It bumps on shells and tiny stones, laughing in its coconut tone. Waves splash softly at its
Crack-a-whack!
feet, guiding it down the sandy street. It spins around and jumps so high, almost touching the bright blue sky. Its cock-a-wack makes seagulls cheer, echoing far and crystal clear. But Finch's fun is always near. Three little monkeys jump with glee, dancing on the washing machine free. It spins and whirls with funny sound. Monkeys bounce up off the ground. They clap their hands and shake their fur, round and round in happy blur. So bubbles fly into the air, landing softly everywhere. The machine buzzes, monkeys cheer, laughing loud for all to hear. Laundry day is fun this year. Three little monkeys jump with glee, dancing on the washing machine free. It spins and whirls with funny sound. Monkeys bounce up off the ground. They clap their hands and shake their fur, round and round in happy blur. So bubbles fly into the air, landing softly
This is the best day
The
ever.
machine
Let's do
buzzes,
this all the
monkeys
time.
cheer,
So much fun. I
laughing
can't
loud
stop
for
laughing.
all to hear. Laundry day is fun this year. Baby elephant drives veggie train, rolling gently through sunny plain. Carrots, peas, and pumpkins ride, stacked in cars on either side. Elephant blows the whistle bright, guiding veggies through morning light. Farm friends wave as it goes by, underneath the open sky. The train chugs on with steady pace, bringing veggies place to place. Elephant smiles with happy face. Baby elephant drives veggie train, rolling gently through sunny plain. Carrots, peas, and pumpkins ride, stacked in cars on either side. Elephant blows the whistle bright, guiding veggies through morning light. Farm friends wave as it goes by, underneath the open sky. The train chugs on with steady pace, bringing veggies place to place. Elephant smiles with happy face. giraffe stretched tall and thin, trying hard to fit back in. Its head bumped gently on the top, making giraffe blink and stop. Head bent its neck and tried once more, but still too tall for any door. It jiggled soft and crouched down low, moving careful, nice and slow. Finally inside with cozy cheer, giraffe smiled wide from ear to ear. Tall friends always bring fun near. Giggles softly, laughs joyfully. Little giraffe stretched tall and thin, trying hard to fit back in. Its head bumped gently on the top, making giraffe blink and stop. Head bent its neck and tried once more, but still too tall for any door. It jiggled soft and crouched down low, moving careful, nice and slow. Finally inside